Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you my payload for my weather balloon. Now this is my first version, so it's a basic system and it basically is just a big tracking system because this is largely just going to be a test. Alright, so obviously I've not secured it because I'm kind of lazy. So the way it shall be supported is through these lines that go through here and then a backup line which goes through the side of the case. So on the bottom here, there are some foam stuff that I found that's very light, and they have been cut into 4 different sections, largely to decrease the force of impact on the payload. Alright, so we take over the cap, and we can see that the antenna has been extended to some mylar. I put mylar in here because it's the best way to insulate, but very lightly. Just a couple layers, I think 3. Alright, so this is basically just a bag of mylar with components inside. Now, the important part is this radio and this. Now, I will have a hand warmer, I just don't currently have one in here. This is just a power bank powering this Android phone, which will be running APRS Droid, which is a great application. And then it will send that to my ham radio. This is a 4-watt, which will then send it out to the antenna. This is basically it. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.